All parties Hurriyat Conference has strongly condemned the escalating repression in occupied Kashmir, highlighting the increased use of cordon and search operations, extrajudicial killing of the innocent youth, arbitrary arrest, and the confiscation of the properties by the Indian Forces personnel in the territory. In a statement issued in Srinagar, APSC spokesperson Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas denounced the unchecked powers granted to the Indian troops, paramilitary forces, and the police under the draconian laws. India's National Investigation Agency, along with the Indian paramilitary and the police personnel, launched search operations and house raids across various districts of the occupied Kashmir. Dreaded NIA conducted operations in the districts of the Kupwara, Riasi, Doda, Udhampur, Ramban, and Kishtwar. Political discontent over the reservation policy imposed by the BJP-led Indian government in occupied Kashmir continues to grow, with National Conference senior leader and member of the Indian Parliament Ruhollah Mehdi threatening to launch a protest against the policy. Responding to a tweet highlighting the issue, Mehdi condemned the policy and expressed his intent to stage a protest outside the residence of occupied Kashmir Chief Minister. In a letter addressed to the Pakistan's Prime Minister Mia Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif, Democratic Freedom Party led by the illegally detained senior APHC leader Shabir Ahmad Shah has highlighted the grave situation of the political and the human rights activists languishing in the jails. The letter issued by the acting chairman of the DFP, Mahmood Ahmad Sagar from Islamabad, expresses deep concern over the ongoing abuse and mistreatment of these prisoners who are enduring torture, prolonged detention, and denial of the basic rights. Despite BJP-led Indian government's claims of economic boom and development in occupied Kashmir following the abrogation of Article 370 in 2019, a sharp decline in the Hajj applications has laid bare the deepening economic struggles faced by the Kashmiris.